Really fantastic. Okay, so let's talk about other industry expanding things that we've done. So for many years, Cesium and Esri have collaborated. And we recently put together a blog to show, like, wow, how much has actually happened. And when you look at this, so Esri, ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Earth, as well as Scene Viewer, can all bring in the OGC 3D tiles community standard. Really fantastic. CesiumJS can bring in ArcGIS Terrain, and then there are like 20 tutorials from Esri on how to bring in Esri location services in the CesiumJS, such as routing and feature styling. And then in addition, CesiumJS can bring in the I3S community standard from Esri. So again, giving developers lots of options to combine different solutions. Okay, the other thing I wanted to talk about was how we've been seeing this great opportunity to work with architecture, engineering, and construction models and infrastructure models.